Let's use the addition method to solve a slightly more complicated example. Here we have the system x plus 5 divided by 2 equals y plus 14 divided by 4, and then the other equation x over 3 equals 2x plus 2 all over 6. Okay, when you have the fractions, clear the fractions. Ask yourself, what can we multiply both sides by to get rid of all these fractions? Right? Oftentimes it's the largest number down here, depending upon how these divide each other. In this case it is. Right? If we multiply both sides by 4, those fractions are gone. Right? So clear the fractions. Clear fractions. Alright, let's do it. Multiply both sides by 4. I'm just trying to get the equation into a form that we can work with. Right now it's all over the place. So alright, multiply both sides by 4. Let's be a little more careful here. 4 and 4. Alright, what does that give us? Okay, so doing it on this term here, 4 cancels with the 2, leaving a 2. So we get 2 quantity x plus 5 equals, on the right side, the 4 cancels out completely, and we get y plus 14. Alright, let's try it down on this bottom one. Again, what can we multiply both sides by to get rid of all the denominators? Well, it's 6. Okay, so I'm multiplying by 6 here, I'm multiplying by 6 here. Alright, what does that get us? Well, here the 6 and the 3 cancel, leaving a 2. So we have 2x equals, and then the 6 and the 6 cancel, leaving us with 2y plus 2. So at least we've gotten rid of the fractions. Let's clean these up a little more. I'm going to distribute the 2 here. That gives us 2x plus 10 equals y plus 14. And then I can work to get those both on the same. We want to get the x and the y on one side, everything else on the other. So I'm subtracting y from both sides. 2x minus y. I'm going to subtract 10 from both sides, equals 4. Okay, so there's that one. And look how nice it is. Now it's in a form that we can use. It started out all crazy. Now it's in a really nice form. Let's try this second one here. We just need to get into a nice form. So I'm going to subtract the 2y. That gives us 2x minus 2y equals 2. Alright, so I'm going to put that down here. 2x minus 2y equals 2. And now we have a reasonable system of equations that we can approach. I'm going to multiply the bottom row by -1 so that my x's will cancel out. So this whole row is getting multiplied by -1. What does that get us? That gets us 2x minus y equals 4. That top row stays the same. The bottom row becomes -2x plus 2y equals -2. And now our x's cancel. We add these together. X's cancel. That's what we intended to happen. Remember, this is just a 1 here. -1 plus 2 is y, is 1y. And then 4 plus -2 is 2. And we've solved for y. Okay, now we need to solve for x. I think I'm going to plug in. We have all kinds of options to plug in. I'm going to avoid plugging in back here in our original because that's a nightmare. So let's go ahead and plug in maybe right here. That looks easiest. Alright, 2x minus, well now we know y is 2, equals 4. 2x equals 6, x equals 3. There we go. So our final answer then is 3, 2, because we put x and then y. There we go.